Hi, I am Shorty Biscuit and welcome back to my channel. I usually don't make videos about camera gear. I have lots of camera gear. I record on GoPros, I record on SLR, I record on my phone. So, I kind of always look at other people's camera gear. When I was looking at getting these accessories for my GoPro, however, I couldn't find on their website any description about their interconnectivity or anywhere else. I figured I'll make a video because maybe somebody else has the question. The three items I have here is, the first one is the boom adhesive mount. I already have a suction cup, so I didn't get the suction mount. It's basically the same thing with the additional suction cups. And this is the tripod adapters. And this here is the magnetic latch ball joint mount. What these three things have in common is all three of them have a ball joint. So what I wanted to figure out is if I can use a ball joint from either one of these on each other one. No information on the site. So I'm going to get them open, show you the contents of each one, and then see if they connect. So in this package, we have the arm, and it rotates. It has, turny points here. So there are Allen keys that lock these in place. And in here, there's an Allen key, a bunch of those same screws, and some adapters that, they go around and show how they connect. I'm not going to go through all of that. I'm really only interested in the ball mount part, which is this part. So there's a little ball here. It's really tight already. So I'm going to unlock it a little. And that little ball, see, it moves. And it attaches on the end here with the three. And then you can then attach your GoPro up at the top here, then, move it around. This is the part that I'm very interested in. I'm going to put the rest of them away. Pretty much that's it. It's just the mount in the box. The mount is pretty small. It's a buckle mount. You raise the rubber here, the lock. So once this is down, it locks it from slipping out. And you slide it into the regular mounts. And this is the magnetic latch. So it just literally just snap the camera here. And on this side, it has a pull latch. And once you undo the latch, you see the head rolls all over, and then you could lock the latch back in place. So inside this box, here is the ball head mount. Under here, you have a 1/4-20 attachment, then the ball head, and then you can see the top here is where you would slide in, let's say, like this, right? It'll lock in. I don't need two mounts, though, that might be interesting. But yeah, I wanted this because it has the ball socket. So my intention would be, it unlocks the same way. And then if I can get this out, I can pop in this one with the magnetic here. So I can attach this to a tripod. Or for instance, I have the 40-inch selfie stick, and that one I attached to 362 or even the 13. And I could use this magnetic mount on this mount and then snap it in. So that's really what I want to figure out. So inside this box is that mount, a regular 1/4-20 to fingers mount, and a bolt. So the only one I'm really looking at right now would be this part. So let me get those three pieces together and see how they can work. Here are the three mounts that I want to see if they can, get swapped. This is the one that came with the boom arm, 2 fingers, 3 fingers. This is the one that's just by itself, the magnetic mount, quick release. And this is the base on a ball. On one side of this one, and this one, there's a lever lock, but there's also a gap for like a screwdriver. So I'm hoping that means I can open it and switch them out. If I can, that'd be great. This one, it's both sides has the Allen key. So let's see. What I really want is to get this onto this first try. So let me unlock it, get a coin. Hopefully it fits in there. Yep, it does. All right. Actually, it's grippy. So you can actually just, if you have a good grip, you can unscrew it. Let's see, take that out, and see if I can pop the ball out. Yes, I can pop the ball out. So there's these two pieces screwed together down in the hole. I'm going to put them back together because I don't lose any pieces. And good. That's one set. And then this one is the other one I want. Let's see. Yeah, there is no screw to hold on to on this side, so that's definitely open. All right. A penny works, just so you know. I know we're not doing pennies anymore, but a penny does work. All right. So get the screw out, get the latch out, and pop the ball out. So now what I want to see is if this ball goes into this mount. Yes, it does. So this makes my day, because what I really, really wanted was a low profile option with a ball head. So let's get it screwed back in here. It is locked. And now, so this is the Hero 13. And this is the shorty mount. And attached to the shorty mount right now, I have one of these, the magnetic releases, the one with the 2 fingers. It's screwed in here to the shorty. And so what I would like and easily be able to do now is take it from the shorty and then attach it to the longer tripod. And there you go. So I can attach this to any tripod, any mount. I have suction cup mounts. I have my regular tripod that I use for shooting. I have, you know, any other selfie stick. So now I can easily attach this to a selfie stick and then use this to mount it. So let's see. Twist, turn, lock, unlock. So I'm unlocking here, and then the ball moves freely. There we go. And then I twist, turn, lock it back in place. And it's locked. Pop this one out too, just so you can see it out. Pull and pop. So this is just the one with the 3 fingers, and I'm going to swap it in for the one with the regular base. And it's popped in. Let's say I have the shorty, which I do. I'm taking off the regular magnetic mount, and I'm going to swap in the 2-finger one into the shorty. So let's say I have the shorty. And all I had was something with a, you know, a quick release buckle mount. Then I just added a buckle mount to this. So attach it in here because, well, I can. Slide that in. And it's in. Lock it down. And now I have the shorty with a buckle mount that I can then put back in this to lock it, you know, lock this ball. But you see, I'm rotating on the ball on the shorty mount. And if I so choose, I could, you know, put this mount, this ball inside of here and, you know, another thing. But yeah, so moral of the story, with the 3 different accessories, the ball mounts are interchangeable. So if you needed a different kind of ball mount on a different accessory and you have all of these, you can just change them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.